Hello, students. When You Wish Upon a Star is played very, very slowly. And I don't even use a pick. I just use the thumb. Looking ahead, the first four chords we know quite well. C, A7th, and D minor. And we've played G7 for a while. The D minor to the G7th is an easy transition. Let me show you. D minor, of course, is first finger here, and then 2 and 3 here. So you play it for 2 beats. The first finger stays in place. It's like your anchor. D minor to G7th. G7th. Okay, back to the chart. The B7th, we did play that earlier today. B7th, we had a B7th suspension and a B7th in close to you. But the B7th is the first finger across all of the second fret. And I was careful to say, if you go too far across, if you extend it, the A string may get compromised. But the first finger and then the second finger on the third fret of the C string. And the B7th we're playing here resolves to a C, and then 4 C's, and then back to the B. Almost like a mirrored image. It comes here at the B, then the C, and then it continues with the B. At the slowest, 46 beats per minute. Let's run through it. 1, 2, ready, play. When you